it's Bekah, and welcome to a day of Cottage Core Vintage decorating here at my little farmhouse kitchen on the northern plains of Iowa. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope all is well. Last week I went to Home Goods and the Dollar Tree and stocked up on some really cute Valentine's Day decor, felted hearts, wooden decor, tea sets, and more. And after I decorate, I'm going to be making chocolate, blackberry, and rosemary brownies, perfect for a snowy Valentine's Day afternoon. So as always, I'm so glad you're here and have stopped by for a visit here at my home, the Carriage House. So I have these two topiaries in my kitchen that I love to decorate for the upcoming seasons. For Christmas, I had these white wooden beads and Christmas ornaments on them. So I took the ornaments off and stored them away for next year, but I decided to keep the white wooden beads and then adding little red lighted hearts to them. Then going to decorate a little nook area in my kitchen, and then I'll show you the Valentine's trees when I'm done. I love the history of Valentine's Day. In ancient Rome, under Emperor Claudius II, a brave priest named Valentine secretly married young couples, defying the emperor's ban on marriages. When discovered, he was imprisoned. During his imprisonment, Valentine befriended his jailer's daughter, and she secretly visited him through his darkest hours. Before his execution on February 14th, he wrote her a final letter, signing it, "From your Valentine." Centuries later, in medieval times, poets like Geoffrey Chaucer transformed this day as a celebration of love. The Victorians added their touch with elaborate cards and tokens of affection. And so today, every February 14th, when we share our love with others, we follow in the footsteps of a Roman priest who believed that love was worth any sacrifice. So now on to decorating another tree. This particular one I had out for Christmas, but evergreen trees never really go out of style, at least I don't think. And they're still so beautiful this time of year, even after Christmas. And it also helps us reuse what we already have from one holiday to the next. So I have these cute little felt hearts Gonna decorate this little tree and then decorate another little nook in my kitchen. I just want to take a minute to thank our sponsor for today's video, which is Ciderwell. The start of a new year is a time for resolutions, fresh beginnings, and ensuring the safety of our home and loved ones. And one small but vital task that often gets overlooked is testing and replacing our smoke detectors. Smoke detectors have a lifespan of about 10 years. Beyond that, their sensors can degrade, making them less reliable. So that's why it's critical to test them monthly and replace them when needed. So Ciderwell's combo smoke and carbon monoxide detector has high precision detection with accuracy over 99.9%. It detects smoke precisely, so less cooking disturbances, which is good. A 10-year long life battery. And the other feature that I absolutely love is the one-click silence option in case there's a false alarm or the battery needs changing, which is really nice. No need to get your broom out and start hitting it or anything. It has bilingual voice announcements for French and English and can be displayed by long pressing the detector. Micro mesh maze design is nice and dual lightwave technology. Models are wired and wireless, each supporting up to 18 units interconnecting together. So definitely be sure to check out Ciderwell for a safe home this year. I will leave all of their information down below. So now on to making chocolate, blackberry, and rosemary brownies. And this is from a brand new cookbook that I absolutely adore. It's called Roasted Figs Sugar Snow. And I will leave recipes and links in the description. But there's an excerpt in the cookbook that I love referring to winter. The cooking can be glorious with lots of heartwarming soup to make and slow cooked suppers to bake quietly in the oven. There are sweet vegetables to roast and hearty stews and all manner of cakes and hot desserts to be made. So I have fresh rosemary and brown sugar that I'm blending in a food processor. And really the rosemary, there's a hint of flavor in the brownies from the rosemary. And then the chocolate with the blackberries, they're so delicious. So going to finish making these delectable brownies, add lots more goodness to them. Again, I will leave this recipe down below. And going to put some more vintage style music on, and let's bake together. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So many more Valentine's Day videos to come, so really excited. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed your stay here, and become part of our slow living circle where we cherish the simple pleasures during this journey we call life. Wishing you well and stay safe, my sweet friend.